Welcome to our Saturday morning guided meditation here at Inner Light. My name is Angela, and in this meditation you're going to be given the opportunity to plant powerful seeds deep within at a conscious and subconscious level, expediting the process of transformation that we may release those old beliefs and limitation, become aware of our oneness with the source of all things so that we may move forward in life with trust and without fear. So let us begin. I invite you to close your eyes. Make yourself comfortable in the place that you are. We're going to take 2 conscious deep breaths together, and I want you to really pay attention in the movement of the air in and out of your lungs. So breathe in, hold it, and breathe out. Pausing here and breathe in. Hold it and breathe out. Bringing your awareness to your physical body, to the movement of the breath. And very gently bring your awareness to the muscles of your body, starting with the face. Just relax all of the muscles on the face. Relax the neck and the shoulders. Allowing your physical body to become more and more relaxed. Experiencing more and more peace in your heart. You begin to notice that silence and inner stillness are very soothing. And as you keep your awareness in your breathing, I'm going to count down from 5 to 1. And as I do, you will begin to go deeper and deeper within yourself, down into your heart, into your subconsciousness, into the place of creation within yourself. 5. Allow your awareness to notice how relaxed you're getting. 4. Allow yourself to feel like you're sinking deeper and deeper. 3. You are totally aware of how relaxed you are. 2. As you prepare yourself to go deeper and deeper. 1. Envision yourself walking alongside on this beautiful beach. I want you to feel the sand touching your feet as you walk. You feel the breeze of the air touching your skin. You can hear the birds surrounding you. Pay attention to all the details as vividly as you can. And as you stand there in awe of the beauty all around you, allowing you to feel like you are in paradise, heaven on earth, beauty everywhere, perfection, abundance. And just allow yourself once again to bring your awareness to your breathing as we take this plunge into our heart, into our subconsciousness, where we are going to plant powerful seeds of light. I invite you to become aware of this powerful light everywhere present. You are a part of it. You are one with it. You realize here and now that the belief in separation, it's not real. As you perceive this light omnipresent, the source of all things, and you recognize your oneness with it, you are able to let go of the power that you have given to this physical reality. Allow yourself to relax and know that because of your oneness with Source, right here and right now, you have access to protection. You have access to guidance. You have access to wisdom. And this is a place of rest and peace. Allow yourself to be immersed and surrounded with this sense of protection and peace. For you are realizing right now, deep within you, that separation is an illusion. You have always been one with the source of all things, always. Therefore, it's safe to let go of the fear that is associated with the belief in separation. Just let go of the fear. Just become aware of your own breathing as you anchor yourself in the awareness of who you are as consciousness, one with Source. You are greater than this physical body. So stand firm in the face of all appearances, in the face of all storms. Stand firm. You are the creator of your reality. Those things out there have no power over you. And the invitation here is for you to awaken to that part of you that knows itself to be one with Source. And this is the day, and this is the hour that you feel with all the cells of your body right now that indeed you are one with Source. Therefore, you're safe, you're loved, you are cared for. Your awareness of it, your conviction of it makes it so. Allow that conviction to take place here and now. You already are one with the Source of all things. And so from now on, move forward with trust and with confidence. Whenever faced with the storm, take a deep breath and remind yourself wherever you are, that powerful light is. And it is your protection and your salvation. You are safe. Walk in faith. And very gently, with this feeling of being safe, being loved, begin to bring your awareness back to the place that you are, but feeling uplifted with that awareness of our oneness with Source. Become aware of the sounds around you, of your breathing, become aware once again of your physical body, and whenever you're ready, very gently, you may open up your eyes and welcome back. I hope you had enjoyed this experience. Feel free to share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Namaste.